In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dark effect in CapCut video. If you want your footage to feel more cinematic, moody, or low light, adding a dark effect is one of the fastest ways to do it. It can also help draw more attention to text, a subject in the center of the frame, or any important part of your scene by subtly dimming the edges. The good news is that CapCut on PC makes this very simple, and the whole process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, go to the very top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Effects tab. This is where CapCut stores all of its visual effect options, including lighting, stylized looks, and cinematic overlays. After that, look to the left sidebar under Video Effects. Scroll through the list until you find the Retro folder, then click to open it. Inside this section, you'll find several effects designed to create classic shadows, lighting changes, and moodier visual styles. Now browse through the available effect thumbnails until you find the one labeled Dark or Vignette. These are the effects that can give your clip that dimmed, dramatic look. Once you see the one you want, move your mouse over the thumbnail and click the blue plus icon in the corner. As soon as you do that, CapCut will apply the effect and place it on your timeline as a purple effect bar above your footage. That purple bar is important because it shows exactly where the effect is active in your edit. Next, click directly on that purple effect layer in the timeline so it's selected. This opens up the controls for the effect. Then move to the top right Properties panel and look under Special Effects. Here you can fine-tune how strong the dark look appears. To make the result feel richer and more polished, drag the atmosphere or size slider up to around 75. Increasing this value deepens the shadows around the edges of the frame and creates a stronger dark vignette across the shot. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your footage look much more intentional and professional. And that's it. In just a few seconds, you've added a cinematic low-light shading effect and a dark vignette filter in CapCut.